topic is R, capital R and capital S configuration. You can call this configuration as a absolute configuration. Why absolute means we are not using any reference compound in order to assign the R and S configuration to monosaccharides or whatever, if to the whatever the compound that containing asymmetric carbon. Just we are based on atomic number. We are assigning R and S configuration based on atomic number, or in case of isotope it will change. Okay, majorly based on atomic number we can assign R and S configuration for all the asymmetric center. If any asymmetric center, if we can find means, then just we can give R and S configuration. So there is no need of any instrument in order to assign R and S configuration. Okay, so if 3D structure, this is 3D structure, then how can convert this 3D structure into 2D structure? This is Van 't Hoff structure, this is Fischer projection. This is Fischer projection, this is Van 't Hoff structure, 3D form into 2D form. How can we convert the 3D form into 2D form? The Fischer explained that how we need to convert the 3D form into 2D form means we need to consider this C and D. See this C and D form. How means in plane bond. See in plane nothing but in between your two eyes. In plane bond means in between our two eyes. This is only this atom to this another. This is C, this is D. Okay, in between two. And if anything is present upside, if any atom that is present upside, that is A. If anything is present downside, that is we need to consider as a B. According to Fischer, okay, according to Fischer we need to consider this B and C. Wedge projection, dash projection we need to see, take in plane bond in between two eyes. A present above the plane, B present below the plane. Okay, like that. So how can we write? See the in plane bond. See whenever you will stand here, just this horizontal, this indicating C and D, just indicating the horizontal. These are present horizontally like this. C and D are present horizontally like this. Next A and B present above and below the plane. A and B present above and below the plane. So like that the Fischer has converted the 3D form into 2D form by using the Fischer projection. That formula we can call it Fischer projection formula. Okay. So how can we assign the R and S configuration for a particular compound? Based on atomic number. See, oxygen atomic number is 8. Next, so this is chiral carbon. Okay, oxygen atomic number is 8. Then first priority. The next one is carbon. Here carbon, here also carbon. See, this carbon bound with oxygen. See, whenever double bond will come, you need to consider as another oxygen. Next, hydrogen. See, 2 oxygen, 1 hydrogen. Here this carbon is consist of oxygen, another carbon, hydrogen. See here 2 oxygen, so more priority this. Second one, this is third one. Then we will rotate the plane polarized like this, anti-clockwise. So we need to assign this as a S configuration. Anti-clockwise direction, S configuration. Okay. Then one rule is there. If lowest priority group, which is the lowest priority group, it is present horizontally. It is present horizontally. Then we need to change the original configuration S into R form. S into R form. Same in this case also like that. Oxygen 1 no. This is come 2. Why means this carbon bound with see another carbon, another oxygen. Here this carbon bound with 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. So that's why this is second carbon. This gets second. This is third carbon. Anti-clockwise. Yes. If lowest priority group O is present on horizontal plane. See horizontal means here or here. Horizontal plane. This then S changes to R configuration. Same thing we need to do like this. But here what configuration? See here 2R to S configuration. R and S configuration, or we can call as enantiomers. R and S configuration. This 2 carbon are R and S configuration. R and S configuration we can call as enantiomers. See how it is enantiomers mean These are mirror images. See OH, OH, HH. This OH, 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 HH. Mirror images. But when you will keep this structure on this structure, then OH not matches with H. Here OH not matches with H. So non-superimposable. They will not. When you will put one structure on another, they will not superimposable. They will not matches. It is non-mirror images, non-superimposable. We can call as enantiomers. We can call as enantiomers. Diastereomers, enantiomers, all the things we can determine just by using RN. Diastereomers and enantiomers we can determine by using R and S configuration.